I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're facing a hold on your earnings with Uber, follow these steps to unlock them. Step 1. Check your notifications. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Airshock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review your account status. Go to the account section in the app to check if there are any issues with your profile, such as missing documents or verification requirements. Step 3. Contact support. If everything looks fine but your earnings are still on hold, reach out to Uber support through the app. Provide them with any relevant details about your account. Step 4. Verify your identity. Sometimes, Uber may require additional identity verification. Follow the prompts in the app to submit any necessary documents. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After completing the previous steps, wait for a confirmation from Uber regarding the status of your earnings. This can take a few hours to a couple of days. Remember, sometimes the hold can be due to a simple oversight, like not having the right documents uploaded. If you stay on top of your account status, you can avoid these issues in the future. Good luck and happy driving!